Hey family! Now if this looks good to you, then you need to stay tuned. Hey family! So I know your girl has been missing in action, but I've just been trying to get my whole life together over here, and I have definitely missed you guys. I've definitely missed cooking. And so I'm going to be coming back. I'm going to be making more videos. Um, you might see my videos more on the healthier side of cooking as I'm trying to get my little glow back, my glow up. So I am making for you tonight a shrimp and spinach quesadilla. This is totally guilt-free. And so I am first, of course, going to clean, peel, and devein my shrimp. Then I'm going to go in with some Old Bay, paprika, Worcestershire sauce, black pepper, some Tony's Cajun seasoning, and whatever you want to use. I used a little dry parsley as well, and then I'm gonna go ahead and give that a good mix. Of course, I am making this in a serving for one. So if you are going to be making this for additional people or maybe using it to serve as an appetizer, you are just going to be using more shrimp, okay? And more everything. So this was totally freestyle. I am just trying to eat a lighter, healthier food, and I had some carb balanced tortillas in there. I had shrimp, which I keep at all times, and I had a bag of spinach, and of course I had some cheese in the drawer. So I was like, let me see what I'm gonna do over here. So this is what I came up with. And so now I am going in cooking my shrimp. Now you guys all know that shrimp cook very quickly, so you are only going to put these in the pan for about a minute to a minute and a half on each side. Like as soon as you start to see that turn the opaque color, then you want to flip it over and take it out the pan. The last thing you want is dry, rubbery shrimp. Because this is going to be on the healthier side, we're not going to be putting too much in it. And so we want to still keep it juicy. So you only want to cook it about 1 to 1.5 minutes on each side. When they look like this, you flip those babies over, okay? I will not steer you wrong. Another minute or two on this side, and then we are going to take these off of the heat and transfer them back in the bowl that we have prepared them with. Leave all of those drippings in the pan. Do not pour them off on the shrimp. You need that. So in those drippings and that yummy flavor that the shrimp left behind, you are going to throw in your spinach. Okay, and I'm doing about 2 handfuls. And once you get in your desired amount of spinach, and remember, spinach cooks down very quickly and by a lot. So make sure you're putting in the right amount of spinach. You need the right amount of ratio between shrimp and spinach. So once you get in the amount of spinach that you want, if I could only talk, you are going to season that lightly with salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and that's it. You are going to toss that spinach around and all that yummy flavor and juice that was left behind by the shrimp. And we're going to just lightly wilt it, okay? And then we're going to take it off the heat and sit it aside. You can put it right in the same container that you are sitting your shrimp in. Now, I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So after I took my spinach off, I went ahead and placed one quesadilla or one tortilla down in the pan so that it also can sop up whatever flavor was left. I layered a good amount, but not too much, because again, I'm keeping this on the lighter side of cooking. But I layered a layer of mozzarella cheese, and then I added my shrimp and my spinach on top, nice and even, and distributed each evenly across the quesadilla. And then, as you saw, put the top layer on, flipped it over so it could toast on the other side, along with a little bit more cheese, and then removed it from the heat. I am going to cut this in 4, and I am about to just bless my mouth with this yummy, yummy goodness. Do you see this? Do you see this? You have the lightest, yummiest quesadilla that you'll probably ever have in your life. So good. So good, so simple. Cooking with what you have at home. That's what it's all about. Just trying to figure out ideas and how to put meals together. It's simple when you understand, what pairs well with each other. If you liked this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And stay tuned. I will be back to dropping videos every Sunday. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Bye.